It's the struggle to find decent care for the elderly. Hawaii is the only state in the country that does not require unannounced inspections of long-term care facilities, with the exception of nursing homes.
Now, one family is now calling for more mandates and stricter regulations for these care homes after a series of bad experiences. KITV4's Jolie Leong has the story.
48-year-old Brandy says her experience with residential care homes has been a nightmare. Her husband suffers from vascular dementia and Alzheimer's disease. She just moved him into his 6th care home since December.
It's been a real struggle.
Brandy asked that we not reveal her identity because she's concerned it could negatively impact her husband's future care. Just last week, Brandy pulled her husband from a residential care home in Honolulu after he could not find a caretaker in time of need.
I got a call and he was frantic. He was upset and he was agitated. He claimed that he couldn't find anyone, no one was there.
Brandy says the care home operator's son initially answered her phone call, but after that,
I had called the home 4 times and no one answered.
No one answered the door when she got there, so she went in.
And I actually walked around the house looking for someone.
Hello?
I was scared. I was terrified because I thought, oh my gosh, you know, here are all these people, most of them on walkers, and there's no one here.
Brandy says another residential care home asked her not to visit her husband for the first 30 days to allow him to adjust.
I've never been told that before, but okay, if this will help, I will respect his wishes.
So Brandy took a short trip.
But during the time I was gone, I found out that he brought my husband to our home without saying anything to me.
Brandy says she's had tremendous difficulties getting care homes to perform simple daily tasks, like taking her husband for walks and bathing him each day, even though residential care homes charge between $1,500 and $6,000 a month.
And I feel for those who don't have loved ones to make sure and who can advocate for them if something is not being done correctly or in their best interest.
State long-term care ombudsman John McDermott is an advocate for people living in long-term care facilities.
Always best to just put everything in writing.
Brandy has learned to do that, but she says the current system makes it difficult for families like hers to explore options and find good residential care homes quickly. The State Health Department inspection reports are not currently posted online. It says all inspection reports are on paper, and the DOH is working toward computerizing the system. For now, the Health Department says it makes inspection reports available by written request or appointments only.
This will take some time, and it'll cost some money and require some staffing, but it's really necessary.
Jolie Leong, KITV4 News.
Well, Brandy has filed 2 complaints against 2 facilities. The State Health Department is investigating and promises to follow up with Brandy. Meanwhile, McDermott says the State Office on Aging is continuing its long battle to require unannounced inspections. Now, McDermott says the state does currently do unannounced visits, but the results are not made public. Now, if you're having problems with long-term care facility and would like to talk about it, just send us an email at news@kitv.com.